To open a Fidelity investment account, start by going to the Fidelity website and clicking on the Open an Account button. You will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to open, such as a brokerage account, IRA, or 401k. Select the account type that best suits your investment goals and needs. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to provide information about your employment status, income, and net worth. This information is required to comply with regulatory requirements and to help Fidelity determine your investment suitability. Once you have provided the required information, you will be asked to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from a bank account, mailing a check, or wiring funds. The minimum investment amount varies depending on the type of account you open, but it is typically around $100. After your account is funded, you can start investing in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Fidelity offers a range of investment products and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. You can also set up a portfolio and track your investments online or through the Fidelity mobile app. To get started with investing, you can use Fidelity's investment research tools, such as stock screeners and mutual fund profiles. You can also consult with a Fidelity investment professional or use the company's online investment advice service. It is essential to have a clear investment strategy and to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. In addition to investing, Fidelity also offers other services, including retirement accounts, college savings plans, and wealth management services. The company also provides educational resources and investment guidance to help you achieve your financial goals. Overall, opening a Fidelity investment account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or by phone. By following these steps and taking advantage of Fidelity's investment products and services, you can start building a diversified investment portfolio and working towards your long-term financial goals.